Okay, good day everyone. So thank you for always following us, and this video is an interesting one. For those of you who have been following the work which we are doing here, you know, we are trying to see how we can cut down production costs. And right here, I'm here with my friend, the solar engineer that is helping us to install 3 horsepower in this great farm that we are building to serve the city of Port Harcourt and Nigeria as large, because from here we'll be sending our products to different parts. And one good thing that is going to happen here is we are going to be training people. We're going to be partnering with government and so many agencies to train people. That's why we want to do everything unique. So you can see we have sent a lot of panels which I'm going to show you, and we are still working. So he's going to be telling us the reason, one of the main reasons why you have to get this installed in your farm. Okay, and after watching this video and you want us to get it done for you, it's not a difficult task. It's just to put a call across on the number that you are seeing, and a beautiful work will be done. We are showing you the process, and we are still going to show you how it's going to work. Thank you guys. So sir,
thank you very much. You are welcome once again. So as I said, the most important thing here is that with solar, if the sun will be paying money for you. Now that you know that the tariff in Nigeria has gone up, if we talk about petrol and diesel, everything is costly. But with solar pump, you spend less. There's nothing that NEPA is coming to come and cut my light or my diesel is finished. In as much there is sun, and thank God, it's God that's giving us the sun. So by this, you will enjoy the what they call it, the solar pump very well. Very soon we will show you the panel up there, and later we'll show you the pressure that is coming out of the pump, so that you know that this is the best for you. You spend less, you're enjoying it, and by this, you know that this is good for you. Thank you. My boss will take over here again to talk to you.
all right, thank you guys. So we are doing all this thing to inspire investors to continue to put in their money in agriculture, and you not just use it for farm, you can also use it like there's one he did for a pure water company.
Yeah.
So we want people to invest their money in venture so that we can have more employment chance for our youth to come and work. So thank you. We'll keep giving you more posts. Thank you. All right, good day everyone. So yeah, welcome to our channel, and I want to appreciate as many of you that have been following us. We have been so much busy. We have so many videos that we are yet to post. We are trusting God that I'm going to post them soon. So as you can see, it has started raining. And at this point of time, if you are into hashing, you have to be more careful, because this is the time where you have to make sure that you are working with your kids. When I mean your kids, I mean your water kids. And it's quite unfortunate that so many of us don't even know what is called water kids, and many of us also don't read. I've been talking about material, and sometimes when you talk about reading of books, some people feel you are trying to talk about money. No. When you read, it grants you access to knowledge, to know how to get things done. So now, there are 2 major things I want you to take care of now, and I'm going to be teaching you subsequently. I will do some practical work for you to see, to gain knowledge that will guide you in what you're doing. Number 1 is, if you are into breeding, make sure that you monitor your temperature very well, and ensure that you have a good kit, a good water thermometer that can give you accurate reading. Like this is my bag, this is my portable bag. I always have my kit inside. So this is what I normally use to get my temperature. When you on it, you'll be able to get the atmospheric temperature, and somehow the atmospheric temperature also influence the water temperature, because once the environment is hot, the water will be absorbing the heat. But that is not the only thing we check. We also check the water temperature, and temperature have a range which, when it drops to that range, it will be having adverse effect to your fish, to be affecting their feeding habits. In our material, I took time to explain the range, and for this book, if you are far away, you can get the e-copy. Once you make your payment, we send the e-copy to you. So you must be mindful on how how to monitor your temperature to help you get to control the environment. Let me use that word, control. And part of what to do, how do you control temperature? For example, if it is raining and it's raining too much, part of what we do is you make sure you cover your hatchery pond, cover it so that it will help to prevent heat from losing. It will help to prevent heat from getting lost. Then the other way around, if you are heating up your room, you can still, once everywhere is hot, you can open up what you use in public so that heat can enter inside. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but even if you cover it without opening it, once everywhere is hot, as air is circulating, you find a way to enter into the pond to also make your water to be hot. Do you get what I'm saying? And once you're operating at the normal temperature range, it will improve hatchability. It will also improve their feeding habits. And once feeding habit is okay, growth is a must. You see your fry growing, you see your fish eating very well. Are you learning something? Then let's talk about pH. You need to have good pH kits. You need to have a good and reliable pH kit, and you need to have let me just say various kits. Like I myself have different kinds of pH kits, so that if one is giving a wrong reading, you will now do a comparison to be sure of what you're having. I believe you are getting what I'm saying, because this business is scientific. It's not even those who normally go and plant, they apply science in what they are doing. The only thing is that sometimes we assume that those who don't go to university are not graduates, are not educated. But provided you can apply knowledge in whatever you are doing, to me you are educated. You are either educated formally or informally. So it's good for you to have different kinds of kits for one purpose. So when you do your comparison, you can take an average. It will guide you to be safer, because let me just say, for example, now you have a kit that is giving you a very high value and the realistic value is low. You see that you are working with a wrong assumption. Before you know what is happening, you will not be getting good results, and you will end up calling the devil, blaming the devil. You see? So it's good for you to help yourself. And one good thing is that God have blessed us with all the knowledge that we need. God have blessed us with everything we need to succeed in this life. In fact, some cases we don't even need to pray, but it's good to pray. Pray is an act of communication to God, but I'm trying to say that God have given us common sense and everything we need to succeed. So when you talk about pH, I'm going to be mentioning what we use. And now people are crying that things are hard, things are expensive. I'm also going to teach you locally how you can get some of these things done. For example, if you have money, you can buy bicarbonate or soda ash that you'll be introducing in your tank. So if you don't know how to use that, it's something that you need to enroll in our mentorship class so that we can guide you, because you require a kind of intensive interaction. So we need to know the kind of water storage that you are using, and also give you the right dosage, because there is no specific measurement for a particular water, because pH varies and it changes. So when you check your pH, depending on what you are getting, that is what determines the quantity you are going to put. Then the common one that I do counsel people that feels that things are expensive, instead of packing out of the business, you can get oyster shell. And this oyster shell we have, many don't know how to process it. Okay, many don't know how to process it. So we have the processed and the unprocessed one. Some people believe that when you get oyster shell, to grind it, to begin to use it, and to working for you? Well, I'm telling you the truth that for you to enjoy it very well, you need to process it, okay? And we also we supply people both the processed and the unprocessed one. And to process it is by heating it. So these are part of the things that you benefit when you register for our training class, and because we guide you to get this thing done by yourself and get good results. Are you getting me clearly? So we have videos of many of them that we have posted. So I think we have almost 500 videos posted on our channel, so that contain most of these things that I'm saying. So some of our videos, I just redo it for those who are just coming across, and for those who have been watching, to refresh their mind. So presently, this project, this place I am, we have been on this work for a very long time, and by the grace of God, the work is gradually coming to an end. As you can see, I'm sweating, and we have been working. We are trusting God that very soon we'll get the work done and we'll get fish in store. So I just want to charge you to be conscious of your water parameters, okay? Not just be hatching fish. Some people calling me and say, suddenly I stopped getting results. The reason why I stopped getting results is because rain is falling, and once rain falls, you start watering the water that is on the ground, because during the dry season the water remains as it is, everywhere remains as it is. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm not a geologist, but I'm telling you from my own experience, because it's what I studied in school. I studied fishery, and we have some course that guide us when we are doing about water quality and the management. We have to do some touches around there, and from the field I'm speaking from experience. So try your best and get your full kit. If you don't have pH meter, if you don't have thermometer for checking your water, try to get them. Then very much important, last week we sent broodstock and some medication to one of our clients in Gabon, and today I'm supposed to send this to Abuja, to one of our clients in Abuja. So I will still encourage you to try to pick. Here we have GAB upper step granule, we have oxygen tablets. So many of you have been asking me on how to get this, especially the oxygen tablets. For some time it was not available, but now it's available. This is still oxygen tablets. This is still nature food. Nature food. Oxygen tablets. So you can see all these are going for one of our clients. We also have this one is for bacterial control. So this item that you see me holding, now when you interact with us, when you get trained by us, when we find out the challenge that you are having in your farm, we help you to recommend the kind of feed that you use, the kind of drug that you use. They are not really drugs, they are just supplements to boost. They just supplement to boost and to stabilize the water, the water for you, so that you can be having good results. Okay, so if you need any of them, you can see that our contacts on the screen. You can send them across to you after your payment. Then for those of you who are yet to get this book, stop wasting your time. Get it, it's going to help you, it's going to change your story. So Fish Calling have been in the business of helping people who are into fish farming to succeed, and we will not relent in doing it, and want to appreciate all our clients, our students that have been giving us testimony results. And if you know you are following us and you are also getting good results from what you have acquired from us, it's a good thing that you share your testimony, so that you can use your testimony to motivate other people. Now if you know that you have been having challenges and you don't know what to do, instead of quitting this business, I will encourage you to chat us or give us a call. We will guide you. Thank you. We love you so much. Cheers.